There is a serum sold only at Walgreens that once sold out across an entire country in a matter of days because it became one of the first drugstore serums ever shown in an independent clinical trial published in a real dermatology journal to genuinely improve aging skin. And here is why that matters so much for us. After 50, we are told over and over that real, proven results only come from bottles costing $100 at the counter, and it simply is not true. Some of the most genuinely science-backed skincare you can buy is sitting on the Walgreens shelf you walk straight past on your way to pick up a prescription for a fraction of the counter price. That famous serum is coming at number 1. So today I am giving you 7 Walgreens skincare buys that beat the luxury counter, from number 7 to the drugstore giants sitting right beside it. 7 specific products that match or beat something costing far more. And I am saving that clinically tested number 7 serum, the one that sold out almost overnight, for number 1. But we have to build up to it. Some of these you probably walk right past every time you are in there for a prescription or a birthday card, never realizing the counter is charging 4 times as much for the very same thing. By the end, that shelf is going to look completely different to you. Quick, so you know what kind of list this is. 1. I take no money from anyone here, no brand, no affiliate deal, no box mailed to keep me sweet. 2. Every pairing is a real head-to-head, a specific Walgreens product against a specific luxury one, with the honest reason it wins, including where a product is genuinely proven and where the marketing gets ahead of the science. And 3, I will tell you honestly when a Walgreens buy is not the cheapest option, only the smartest one. That is the promise. Let us get into it. But first, 90 seconds on why the Walgreens shelf can beat the counter, because there are actually 2 different things going on here, and both are in your favor. The first is the drugstore giants, the CeraVe, the RoC, the Neutrogena, which use the same proven actives from the same labs as the luxury brands, just without the fancy jar. You already know that story. The second is special, and it is No7. No7 is Walgreens' own brand, which means there is no separate company adding a markup, no department store taking a cut, no counter to pay for. So when No7 spends real money on genuine clinical research, and it does, more than almost any drugstore brand, it can then sell the result to you for a fraction of what a luxury brand would charge for the same science, because it owns the whole chain from lab to shelf. For us, that is the rare combination we actually want after 50, real evidence and an honest price. And there is a reason this brand in particular suits us. No7 has quietly built its whole identity around mature skin, testing its formulas on real women in our age range rather than on 20-somethings and hoping it translates. So when they say a serum softens lines and firmness, they have usually put it on skin that actually has lines and has lost firmness, which is more than you can say for a great many of the pretty bottles at the counter. Let us count them down. Number 7, RoC Retinol Correxion. RoC helped make retinol affordable and mainstream decades ago, and its deep wrinkle retinol, around $25, still delivers the single most proven anti-aging ingredient there is at a fraction of luxury retinol prices, which run $90 and up. Who is it for? Nearly every woman over 50 started slowly and built up over months. One honest note, reach for the fragrance-free version if your skin is reactive, because a fragranced retinol can sting thin, mature skin. Retinol is the one ingredient with decades of independent evidence behind it for smoothing lines, fading spots, and firming skin. And none of that evidence cares whether it came from a $25 tube or a $200 cream. The molecule does the work. The tube is just where it lives. A proven active, an unbeatable price. And the next one is the hydration hero sitting one shelf over. Number 6. Neutrogena Hydro Boost. This is the lightweight water gel, around $18, built around hyaluronic acid, the molecule that plumps fine lines and gives skin that cushioned look we lose after 50. The luxury gel creams it competes with run 68 and up for the same humectant. Who is it for? Anyone who wants light, non-greasy hydration applied to slightly damp skin and sealed with a moisturizer so it works with you rather than against you. The reason it feels like it plumps your skin so quickly is that hyaluronic acid holds many times its weight in water right at the surface, softening the look of fine lines almost on contact. Just remember the golden rule: damp skin and a moisturizer on top, or in dry air, it can pull water the wrong way and leave you tighter than before. Cheap, effective, and everywhere. And the next one is the gentle French pharmacy brand hiding at your Walgreens. Number 5. La Roche-Posay. This is the gentle, barrier-focused brand that European women have trusted for years, and Walgreens carries it. Their soothing moisturizers and Cica balms, around $20, calm reactive, sensitized skin and rebuild the barrier, which matters enormously after 50 when skin turns thinner and more easily irritated. The luxury sensitive skin creams they replace run 90 and up. Who is it for? Anyone with reactive, red, or easily irritated mature skin. After 50, a surprising amount of what women read as sensitive, temperamental skin is really just a barrier that has thinned and stopped defending itself, and this is exactly the kind of brand built to rebuild it. Calm the barrier, and a lot of the redness, stinging, and reactivity you have been fighting quietly settles down on its own, and suddenly the actives you could never tolerate before start to feel gentle. Quiet, gentle, dermatologist loved, and a fraction of the boutique price. And that is the halfway mark, and the one skill that frees you from the luxury counter for good. Let me hand you the test, because I would rather you never need one of my videos again. When you are standing in Walgreens holding an affordable product and picturing the luxury one, ask 2 questions. First, what is the actual proven active? Retinol, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and peptides. And is it near the top of the ingredients list? Second, is there any real evidence behind the claim, or just a pretty promise? The drugstore giants win on the first question because they carry the same actives for less. No7 wins on both because it genuinely runs clinical trials most drugstore brands never bother with. What you should never pay for is a beautiful jar with no proven active and no evidence at any price. And here is the quiet truth that follows. Evidence is the thing you are actually meant to be paying more for, and yet it is the one thing the luxury counter offers least of. A great deal of prestige skincare has never been through an independent trial at all, so you are paying for the feeling of science rather than the science itself. Do that check once, and the counter loses its grip. And if you want the rest of this series, the retailer gold mines, the ingredient dupes, the over 50 routine that actually works, subscribe. No sponsor, no PR box. Just me and the back of a bottle. Now back to the countdown, because the top 4 are the real headline steals. Number 4, No7 Pure Retinol. No7 makes its own line of proper retinol serums, around $30, that pair real retinol with the soothing ingredients mature skin needs. So you get genuine anti-aging results with less of the irritation that scares people off. Who is it for? Anyone over 50 who wants a gentle but real retinol from a brand that actually tests its formulas. This is the sweet spot for a lot of nervous women. A retinol from a brand that actually tests its formulas, buffered enough that you can build tolerance without the angry, flaking weeks that made you quit retinol the first time. Start twice a week, give it a full 12 weeks, and let it prove itself slowly. It is a little pricier than a bare drugstore retinol, but you are paying for the buffering and the testing, not for a counter. And the next one is a lightweight night treatment the drugstore does beautifully. Number 3, CeraVe PM Facial Lotion. This is the lightweight night moisturizer, around $16, that pairs niacinamide with the ceramides and hyaluronic acid your barrier loses with age in an oil-free formula that sinks in and repairs while you sleep. The luxury night treatments it quietly matches run $100 and up. Who is it for? Every woman over 50 as a nighttime base, especially layered over your retinol. Niacinamide calms redness and supports the barrier, while the ceramides rebuild it and the hyaluronic acid holds water. So it is doing 3 quiet jobs at once, overnight when your skin does most of its own repair. Unglamorous, fragrance-free, and one of the best few dollars you will spend. And the next one is the No7 moisturizer that replaces a luxury pot. Number 2, No7 Restore and Renew moisturizer. This is No7's multi-action anti-aging moisturizer, around $25, built on their peptide research to target lines, firmness, and tone all at once. It is the kind of do-everything anti-aging cream the counter sells for $80 or $90 from a brand that owns its own labs and skips the markup. The appeal here is simplicity. If you do not want a shelf full of separate serums and treatments, one well-formulated, tested, do-everything cream from a brand that owns its own labs is a genuinely smart way to cover the anti-aging bases without the counter price or the counter lecture. Who is it for? Anyone who wants one solid, tested anti-aging moisturizer without the counter price. A genuine luxury cream experience for drugstore money. And now, number 1, the clinically tested serum that started this whole video. Number 1, the famous No7 serum. Here is the full story. Years ago, No7's Protect and Perfect Serum became the first of its kind to be tested in an independent, peer-reviewed clinical trial and shown to significantly improve the appearance of photo-aged skin. And when that result went public, it sold out across the country almost overnight, with waiting lists at every shop. No7 has spent the years since building on that science, and its current flagship serum, around $40, is powered by a world-first peptide technology with fresh clinical research behind it, showing real visible improvement in lines, tone, and firmness. Now here is my honest caveat, because I promised you the truth. This is real, genuine science, far more than most drugstore serums can claim, and that is exactly why I am crowning it. But it is improvement, not a miracle, and some of the boldest numbers you see come from the brand's own expert grading rather than fully independent trials. So go in clear-eyed. You are getting a genuinely tested, prestige-level serum for around $40 instead of the $100 and up that the counter charges for similar peptide science. That is a remarkable deal, and it is honest results, just not magic. Who is it for? Every woman over 50 who wants proven, peptide-based anti-aging without paying counter prices for it. And think about what that heritage actually tells you. A drugstore serum was put through the same kind of independent, published testing that prescription treatments face, and it passed well enough to cause a nationwide stampede. That does not happen to a bottle that only sells a story. Whatever else you take from this list, No7 earned its place at number 1 by doing the one thing the counter almost never does: proving it. If there is a single product in this whole series I would tell you is genuinely worth stepping just above rock-bottom prices for, it is a serum that has actually been tested on skin like yours, and this is that one for a fraction of what the counter charges for the same peptide science. That is the serum that sold out overnight, and it still costs a fraction of its luxury rivals. So here is your whole Walgreens run assembled into an actual routine for less than one luxury serum. In the morning, a hydrating layer, a moisturizer, and your sunscreen, always. At night, cleanse, then the No7 or RoC Retinol 2 or 3 times a week once your skin is used to it, the tested No7 serum on the nights in between, and the CeraVe night lotion or the La Roche-Posay balm to seal and calm. That is a complete, genuinely tested over 50 routine, and the whole basket costs less than a single bottle at the counter. Now let me be fair, because a video that says everything expensive is a con is its own kind of lie. There are luxury products genuinely worth it when there is real formulation science or a prescription strength active you cannot get at the drugstore. And if you love a particular texture or ritual, that pleasure is a valid thing to buy. Just make the choice knowing what you are paying for: real science or genuine pleasure, and never a beautiful jar with no evidence inside it. And the one place I will send you toward the pharmacist rather than the shelf is a prescription. If you want results stronger than any of these, prescription tretinoin from a doctor beats every over-the-counter retinol here and, with insurance, often costs less than the cheap tube. Ask about that before you ever spend $100 at a counter. And here is where the money actually goes, with 2 honest reveals. First, that gentle La Roche-Posay and the CeraVe on the Walgreens shelf are both owned by the giant L'Oreal, the very same L'Oreal that owns prestige lines at the luxury counter, selling you the affordable version on one shelf and the marked-up version on another. And second, the reason number 7 can sell you real clinical science for $40 is that it is Walgreens' own brand. So there is no separate company, no counter, and no middleman taking a cut between the lab and your basket. When you buy the $100 luxury serum instead, only a few dollars is the actual active. The rest is the jar, the ad campaign, the counter, and the commission. You did not buy better science. You bought the packaging wrapped around it, and often no proof at all. So strip the 7 buys back to what they are, and here is what is left. The villain was never No7 or CeraVe or the luxury counter. They are allowed to sell what they sell. The villain is the reflex, the quiet belief that proven results must come from an expensive counter when some of the best tested skincare you can buy is sitting by the pharmacy for $40. Look for the proven active. Ask for the evidence. Pay for science and for honesty, never for a jar. Do that, and your next Walgreens run quietly becomes some of the smartest skincare shopping you do all year. So tell me down in the comments, have you ever tried that famous No7 serum, and did it work for you? Or have you been paying counter prices for the same peptide science? I want to know. I read every single one. And subscribe if this helped, because I put out a new honest one of these every single week.